So as you can see, I'm wearing this bomb curly wig today from RPG here, of course, but the real reason why I did this tutorial today is because a lot of you guys are always asking me, Sue, how do you secure the back of your lace wigs? Like today, this is the tight curly 360 frontal wig Indian Remy here. Okay, so this is a tight curly texture. As you can see, it's 180% in density, it's 18 inches long, and it's Indian Remy hair. So it's such a beautiful wig. It's really dense and I love that about it. It's not super heavy, it's manageable. I'm really loving it. Before I jumped into that portion, you know, I do my usual. I go into the frontal area a bit, and if I feel like I want to, I definitely go in and, you know, do some extra tweezing. As you guys saw, it came pre-plucked, but I always do this, well, I'd say 95% of the times. I definitely didn't want to do too much baby hairs for it. I've really been just feeling the pulled back look, so this is kind of how it ended up looking, which I'm really loving. I was just pulling up the hair to let you guys see how the back is. I'm not gonna do any plucking there. I don't think it's necessary, and it really isn't a big deal to me. So what I proceeded to do is do my little ball cap method. I applied that, and I pretty much do the same thing you guys always see me do on the front to the back. That's pretty much it. I take my got to be freezing spray. I take my dryer, my blow dryer on cold air, of course not hot, because that would just melt this away, and I do the same thing to the front. Now I will not dwell on the front portion today because I really wanted to just focus on the back and how I secure it, because a lot of people, I don't know, a lot of people don't really show that, but I really wanted to show you guys that today. So I went on and I just kind of sized up the wig on my head and make sure everything was in place, and I went ahead, applied more of the freezing spray, and pretty much just pressed down the hair. As I say, it's the very same thing that I do to the front of the hair of the wig, but with the back it does take a little bit more attention. It will take a little bit more time, and that's the only thing that I notice, especially with this. Now if you want to go ahead and like keep this on for days, I don't think the got to be spray or gel would really be the best thing to use, because personally for me, I know it would not work because I sweat in that area. So I feel like glue would be a better choice for adhesive rather than a holding spray or gel. So that's what I did to secure the back pretty much, and I did not really show the front portion because it's the very same thing that I did from the front. This I pretty much just went on to securing everything, tying it down with this little ribbon, and left it on there for a while and worked on the hair. So I wanted to just, you know, I love the pop-in curls. I love when my curls look really juicy and shiny. So I used some of my Shea Moisture mousse, and you could use this or any other mousse along with water to kind of just get the hair really nice and detangled. And I used my brush there that I received from RPG here to do this, and I pretty much just put this up in a sloppy top bun. I just wanted to show you guys this portion to just demonstrate to you and show you how it looked after you know, securing the back and everything. So this is how it looked after doing all of that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really just you taking your time and really focusing on making sure that it's dry. That's very important. So after doing all of that, I pretty much just went on to letting down the hair, because this is how I wanted to wear the hair for this time. And you could definitely go ahead and rock it like this big curly look. It's really nice, really nice. And I know some people love when their curly hair is big and just voluptuous and very bombshell like vibes, but I love when my curls look I love the wet look. I definitely love the wet look. So I proceeded to going in with more of the mousse and just brushing it out with the brush that I received from RPG here some time ago, which is always so useful when it comes onto these curly textures. And you guys know that my favorite texture to wear anytime at all is curly hair. Like, I love curly hair. Look at this, it's just so juicy. I love it. It's amazing. Love it. So yeah, this was pretty much it for what I did to the hair. And look at the front, it looks so natural, so natural. Oh, by the way, I did not mention before, but this is an improved lace as well. This lace that you're seeing, you see how much it looks like skin? It looks like scalp. Yes, it's their improved lace, so super happy with that. It's amazing, gorgeous. RPG hair has definitely upgraded their quality. That's what I can tell you guys for sure. But yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped you guys out. I really hope it did. Just have a little bit more patience when it comes down to securing the back of your wig, and trust me, it will work out. So try that out. And if you're interested in this or any other wig from RPG hair, the specific link to it will be in my description box, and the link to my customized page on RPG hair will also be linked. If you're interested in getting this or purchasing this or any other wig, my discount codes are SUE15 and PETITE-10. Check it out. But yeah guys, that's it for today, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, bye.